If you are using Dynamo to make your workflows faster and smarter, watch this video until the end. I will give you 5 Dynamo packages that will make it more smarter and faster. A special thanks to our sponsor NonicaTab PRO. NonicaTab PRO is a great plugin that enables you to share and integrate your Dynamo scripts at Revit button in one click. No coding required, and also you can get access to 30-day trial version in Autodesk App Store. I will put the link in the description. Archilab is another Swiss knife that you need to have in your storage, and it has more than 50 custom nodes for Dynamo that will help you to enhance your workflow with Revit parameters. And my favorite tool in this package and my favorite area in this package is you can manipulate views in any aspect that you need. Pro is a Swiss knife and you can use it for any purpose. You will have different nodes for list management, mathematical operation, geometries, and UVs. And my favorite part of this plugin is the tools that you have for paneling. You can create this kind of panels for your projects in Dynamo really easy, even with complex type of panels. There are lots of B in here, but we want to talk about the Bumblebee package in here. Bumblebee package enables you to free the full potential of Dynamo and Excel integration. You can create data visualization and dashboards, and you can create data link between Dynamo and Excel. And don't forget, this video is brought to you by our great sponsor, NonicaTab PRO. NonicaTab PRO is a Revit add-in that will help you to integrate and share your Dynamo scripts at Revit button in one click, and you don't need any coding knowledge. And also you can get access to 30-day trial of this software from Autodesk App Store. I'll put the link in the description, and no credit card is needed. The next one is Data Shape, and with this package you can create great interfaces for Dynamo Player and your charts and your graphs. And also the other thing that you can give a great point to Data Shape is the way that you can create great dashboards and great charts for it. I have a video on it on channel. You can go and watch that too to create dynamic dashboards in Revit and Dynamo with Data Shape. Freedom is a lifesaver and will save you lots of time in Revit. Also, we have lots of tedious task nodes. For example, we have batch upgrade. We'll upgrade all of the families. And also we have collector nodes which will collect all of the elements that we have in one category in just one node. Also, a special thanks to our sponsor.